we would like to give a special thanks to Boxy Girls for providing us with these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Boxy Girls Unbox Online Shopping Fun. Inside of this box, there are 2 full-size limited edition dolls named Stevie and Everly. There are 28 boxes inside with over 33 surprises for ages 6 and up. Let's take a look inside. Fragile, handle with care. Inside, there are 2 more boxes. Those limited edition dolls must be inside. I love unboxing stuff, and Boxy Girls are all about unboxing. Okay, so now we can open this box, and inside we have more boxes. And are you ready for this? I think this is Stevie, and it looks like she is at the spa. Out of the box, Stevie is wearing a lavender towel that velcros in the back. She has green eyes with blue eyeliner. Her hair is pulled up into a ponytail. She has articulation at the head, shoulder, wrist, hip, and knee. But she can't walk around in a towel all day, so let's see what's in those boxes. Let's start with the large boxes. We have 3. Inside the first one, we have headphones. In the next box, we have sunglasses. Cool. And our last large box is a tiara. Wow. Moving on to the smaller boxes, we have 10 of those. I'm hoping we'll find some clothes in one of these. Box number 1 has a hair extension. Box number 2 is a necklace and a bracelet. Box number 3 has a lot of confetti and a pair of shoes. Number 4 is a disco ball. Is that like a purse? That is so cool. Stevie, you've been doing all of this online shopping. Don't tell me you didn't buy any clothes. In box number 5, we have a purse. Okay, but this is seriously a very cute purse. It's French fries. This is starting to look like my office with all of the boxes everywhere. In box number 6, we have... Is that an outfit? Yes! We have a dress. Here you go, Stevie. Stevie is wearing a green dress with red details. I think those are balloons. And we can give her those black shoes and a little jewelry. And we still have 4 boxes to go. Box number 7 is, I think that's shoes. Very cute little shoes. Loving the fringe. In box number 8, turquoise sandals. She loves shoes. Box number 9 is really cute earrings. They are large hoops. And she has a charm bracelet. And box number 10 is makeup. We have lipstick and some green earrings. Wow, look at all of those boxes. You are like a professional online shopper. Let's open the other one. There should be another doll inside of this one. So here are the boxes. And here is Everly. She has lavender hair and gray eyes. Has the same articulation as Stevie and is also dressed in a towel. So let's start unboxing. Last time we found the outfit in a small box, so let's start there. In box number 1, we have earrings and a bracelet. Box number 2 is a present purse. Love that. In box number 3, there are 2 sets of earrings. And are those strawberries? Number 4, a cassette purse. Huh, that's cool. And a bracelet in box. Number 5. I think that's a shoe. Wow, pretty red and gold shoes. Number 6. Is that a shirt? It is! It's a shirt with a little drink on it. Must find more clothes. Number 7 is earrings. Number 8, need fashion. And we have a very, very cute shell purse. Wow, I love this. All of my dolls need this purse. Box number 9. Shoes? Okay, come on, we need some clothes. Box number 10 has to be fashion. It is shoes. Okay, well, those are really cute shoes though. Maybe this time the clothes are in the larger boxes. Let's see if our theory is right. I'm opening my first large box and we have a hairbrush. Well, that will actually come in handy. Box number 2. It doesn't sound like shoes. Maybe there's something soft in there because it's not making any noise. It's not shoes and it's not clothes. But it is some really cute little cat ear headphones. Our very last box. And we have a skirt. Yes, in the very last box. Wow. Now Everly can go and get dressed. Let's pick out a pair of shoes. Oh yeah, I like these. Some earrings, brush her hair, and I just gave her a quick hot water rinse. And I need a purse, but I think we're gonna borrow Stevie's fry purse for a little fast food theme. And her skirt looks like pizza. And here is Stevie and Everly, our newest addition to our Boxy Girl collection. You can find Boxy Girls at boxygirls.com and Walmart. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at these 2 limited edition dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.